ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 14-9 सत्वं सुखे संजयति। सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत। पदच्छेदे सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत। ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत। पदच्छेदे ज्ञानम् आवृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयति उत. I have वाक्यांशः विश्लेषण. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः, कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. भारत सत्वं सुखे संजयति, रजः कर्मणि संजयति. The verb संजयति in वाक्यांशः 1 is implicit for वाक्यांशः 2 also. तमः ज्ञानम् आवृत्य प्रमादे उत तु संजयति. Since आवृत्य in 3a is a lebantam, tamaha is saman kartrupadam for 3a and 3b. So that is why I have made it into a merged essay. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः. भारत सत्वं सुखे संजयति. भारत विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं संबोधनम् एकवचनं. भरतस्य वंशे जातः इति भारतः. सत्वं सत्व नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. सत् प्लस त्व. The characteristics of being sat, that is good, goodness, chastity. सुखे सुख, happiness. नपुंसकलिङ्गं सप्तमी एकवचनं. संजयति संजि धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. संजि to win comprehensively, to be validated. रजः कर्मणि. रजः रजस् नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. रजस् नॉइटर. रंज असुन न लोपः. डस्ट पाउडर डर्ट. धन्यास्तदंग रजसा मलिनी भवन्ति. आत्मोद्धतैरपि रजोभिरलङ्घनीयाः. Different quotations. A dust or pollen of flowers. But here the more appropriate meaning is rajas is supposed to be the cause of the great activity seen in creatures. It predominates in men as sattva, and tamas predominates in gods. Tamas predominates in sattva, predominates in gods, and tamas predominates in demons. Karmani, karman, napusakalinggam, karmani, not karmani, karmani, karman, action, napusakalinggam, saptami ekvachanam. Uta tamaha tu jnanam avrutya pramade sanjayati. Uta avyayam. Uta indeclinable. A particle expressing doubt, uncertainty, guess. Tat kimayamatam apamapadoshaha syat uta yatha me manasi vartate. Uta association, connection, having a cumulative force, and also uta balvan uta bala. Tamaha, tamas, napusakalinggam prathama ekvachanam. Tamas, noiter. Tam, asun, darkness. Kim va bhavishyadharunam tamasam vibheta. Tam chet sahasra kirano dhurina karishat. More relevant meaning in Sankhya philosophy, darkness or ignorance as one of the three qualities or constituents of everything in nature. The other two being sattva and rajas. Antargatam apastam me rajasopi param tamaha. Tu avyayam, however, jnanam, jnana, knowledge, napusakalingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. आवृत्य आवृत धातोः लेपन्तम्. आवृत प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. to turn around, to turn round, revolve, to go to or towards, to be restless, etc. Pramade, pramada, pullingam saptami ekvachanam. Pramadaha, carelessness, negligence, mistake, blunder, mistaken judgment. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Bharata, O descendant of Bharata. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati. Happiness validates sattvam, the chastity. If there is happiness, it is born out of sattvam, chastity. Rajak karmani. Being active validates rajas, the median approach. Uta tamahatu jnanam avrutya pramade sanjayati. But the tamas also dominates in the field of negligence by veiling knowledge. Chando Vishleshana. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati. Ashrakshani. Sanjaya. Etesham matraha. Dve eka eka. Rajak karmani bharata. Ashrakshani. Nibhara. Etesham matraha. Eka dve eka. Jnanam avrutya tu tamaha. Ashrakshani. Tyatukta. Etesham matraha. Eka eka eka. Pramade sanjayatyuta. Ashrakshani. Njayatyu. Etesham matraha. Eka dve eka. Prathama tritiya padayoho apavadau. Anyatha अस्मिन् चतुर्दशाध्याये नवमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः notes of self study. The theme here is sanjayati. In sattvam sukhe sanjayati, the word sattvam is to be taken to mean positivity and sukham is to be taken to mean positive result. It is logical that only positivity will yield positive results. Accordingly, sattvam sukhe sanjayati can be taken to mean results being positive validate positivity, chastity. Likewise, devotion and dedication is being active validate rajaha, the median mindset. Also, blunders, mistaken judgments validate tamaha, the negativities of the character. In the table prepared earlier for shlokaha 14-678, we can add a row for sanjayati. See, the table was gunaprakaраha, sattvam, rajaha, tamaha. Attributes, visheshana. Sattvam was described as prakashakam anamayam. Rajaha ragatmakam. Tamaha mohanam. Then genesis, karanani. Sattvam nirmalatvat. Rajaha trushnasanga samudhvam. Tamaha ajnanajam. Binds by katham badhnati. Sattvam sukha sangena jnana sangena cha badhnati. Rajaha karma sangena badhnati. Tamaha pramadalasya nidrabhi badhnati. Kada sanjayati now. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati. Rajaha karmani sanjayati. Tamaha pramade sanjayati. Isn't that a good tabulation? Shubhamastu. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. So, Shubhamastu.